Alright, what's going on, guys? Feels really good to be back and making another video. As you can tell by the title, today I got what's in my camera bag 2019. I'm really excited to show you guys everything inside here, everything that carries me, all my gear. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so first things first, as you can see, we got the camera bag by Incase. I really like this camera bag. It's not too big, not too small, fits everything I need. So overall, really good bag. Moving on to the front compartment, this is where I keep my gloves. I really like these because like whenever it's a cold shoot, I can easily access through here to fly my drone or use my camera in the cold. I use these all the time, super convenient. Right above it is where I keep my portable charger. Use this all the time to charge up my phone. Really useful. It's not too big either, so it's not gonna take up a lot of weight. Moving on to the laptop compartment. This is where I keep my pens, my markers. Also, I keep a quarter in here. Just little things that I don't really use, but I mean, I could use it sometimes, I guess. In here we have another portable charger. This thing's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit more heavier, but sometimes I do actually need to use this, whether like I'm charging possibly a drone battery or like a laptop or something. Right below it, this is where I keep my laptop. I don't take this often with me because it does take up extra weight and it is pretty expensive, so I don't want anyone stealing it. So sometimes it does go like on travels, but usually I just leave it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside. I do have another compartment here that I don't use, and obviously the grill pod on the side. So yeah, I'll just get right into the inside of the camera bag. Starting off with the outer compartment right here. This is where I keep things to clean my camera sensor, like a blower and like a dust cleaner. Another thing that I keep in here is a SD card case. It's not the best one, kind of hard to put the SD cards in here. Also, there's not a lot of SD card slots to be put, but overall it does do the job for me. Inside here I do have boring stuff like wires, etc. Things that I use to charge my drone battery. Another compartment right under here, I do have a micro SD card adapter, which is pretty beat up, but it does work, so I do have it. Also a flash drive, and I think that's pretty much it. So getting into the actual inside of the bag, starting off right here, I do have the tripod. This is pretty nice if you want to vlog with your phone. Just mount this on, you can easily vlog. Also, you could set it up as a time lapse. Yeah, pretty nice. I use it all the time. Also in here I do have a selfie stick, pretty self-explanatory. Just mount your GoPro on it and get some pretty cool shots. But yeah, let's move on to the microphone itself. So this is probably my favorite accessory because it is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and I will be using this to film the rest of my videos because it is such a good mic. One of the things I really like is that you don't have to turn it on, just plug it into the camera and it does it itself, which is super nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this half. Let's move on to the camera. Alright guys, so this is my camera. I have the battery grip, pretty nice one. It's not the Sony, but it doesn't really show that it's like a Chinese version. It does feel a bit plasticky, but for 50 bucks I think it's definitely worth it. Obviously you guys know I do have the Sony a7 III, which is probably 2019 so far its best camera. Really good camera. A new lens that I recently picked up, which is actually the only lens I really have right now, is the Tamron 28-75. This one is super nice. Really versatile, f2.8. You can get zoom in shots. You do get bulk. I did have the 85mm. This one's almost as good. Obviously that one's a bit better. But this one at 28, you can even vlog. I've seen people vlog with this lens, so it's a really versatile lens. Probably the best budget lens for the Sony a7 III. Next up is my GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 2018. I know the GoPro 7 came out, but this one does the job for me. The only downside is it doesn't shoot 4K, and also the video is really shaky. But overall it does do the job for me. Alright, so next up is my drone. This is obviously the Mavic Pro. This is what I've been using for all my cinematic videos that I posted earlier on my channel. It's a really nice drone, super portable as you guys can tell. I know the Mavic 2 came out and that drone has some really good camera, but the camera on this guy's really good. Does the job for me. Super nice, really portable like I said. Overall, really good drone. When I buy it, I do keep the battery, and also I do have the remote. So yeah, it's really nice. It's portable. It's all together, like right by each other. I like that I can keep the camera and the drone all together, one camera bag. I know it's really hard to do that with the Phantoms. Next up is the ND filter. This is the Platinum 67mm, which I use for my Tamron lens. This filter's alright. It definitely does the job, and I do use it often. Next up is probably something that I probably won't use for the rest of my life, which is this neck strap for the Sony a7 III. And the reason why I'm saying that is because it's really hard to strap it in. It takes like 5 minutes just to tie it up, so there's really no point of using it. Next up is the Pro Optic cleaning kit. I actually use this pretty often to clean out my sensor. I know I have some stuff in here, but these are really nice because like you have a wipe in here, a bottle that sprays, and another cleaner. So this is like a lot more portable, and then you do have a wipe on the side. So a really nice cleaning kit. I do use it really often. But yeah, that's pretty much it for what's in my camera bag. There are a few accessories that I do carry always with me that aren't in my camera bag. One of those is the Manfrotto 190 Go tripod. Really like this. It's really light. It would have been better if it was carbon fiber, but for the price, this tripod's really nice. I really enjoy it. And one more accessory that I'm actually using right now is the Rhino slider. This thing's really nice. Obviously, I'm taking a live motion right now with it. Really nice slider. You can also take time lapses with it. But yeah, that pretty much takes care of this video. Like I said, if you guys have any suggestions, like for future videos, you guys want to see more vlogs, more cinematic videos, just comment down below. I will try my best to do it. But for today, that's pretty much it. It's Tony. I'll see you guys in the next one.